So we gonna live till the blood is all on it. We don't need nobody born away. Lord will put it away. I did no pass and him no link and him no check. Where we gonna live till the blood is all on it. We don't need nobody born away. God will put it away. I did no pass and him no link and him no check. Lead like a fast car, class a manner. Speed like an NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them.
Alright guys, so as usual, you know, my new technique, which I found out is not invented by Jackie Aina. So my apologies to everybody who I've been offending by saying that Jackie Aina invented it. But truth be told, she's the only one that I've seen done it. Alright, so yeah. So the powder that I use is the Sasha Buttercup. Genius. And everything that I'm using on my face for my foundation obviously can be found at Fontana Pharmacy. I'm back using carob. Yeah, love carob. I love this technique, as I say in my review with cream foundations. I think this technique with the powder before works absolutely amazing. If you have oily skin, boo, you need to get on this handy. And underneath everything, I'm wearing rotted. I'm not even wearing my Becca primer, you know. I don't believe I was wearing my Becca primer. I just have on the powder and the foundation over top. So this is my warm honey, and this is my LA Pro Conceal Warm Honey, and I'm highlighting my face just how I would typically highlight my face. Nothing new to see here. I'm going to, however, blend out using my brush. I like going over top of my eyebrows because it gives a better blend, and it gives all the halo police a job not to do. So I apologize for the halo police that have no job to do because I blended out my brow area, so sorry about that. And again, I'm using my, not again, I didn't say it before, but I'm definitely using my gem blender created by our very own Destiny Godly. Whoa. So the color I'm using to do my low light is called Mahogany. Let me tell you, oh my goodness, I slept on this mahogany. I've had it for such a long time and I didn't use it, and now I've been using it like crazy. I truly love it. I love it for low light. When I low light with mahogany, I rarely, if I have to go and set it with a darker low light, it's just become an extra, not because I have to. So I'm blending this out using my Sculpting in Paradise. This brush is from my Poem in Paradise collection, sold out at Fontana and online. So I'm using Sasha Buttercup again to set my highlighted areas, and I recognize that I'm very comfortable doing this technique on myself for my clients. I always do a completely different technique, but I have a video coming up in this 31 days here in August, sorry, that I actually tried this technique on 2 of my friends, this same technique, and it came out, the finish was nice, but the look came out a little bit different and I had to work harder. So again, this is why I choose to do different techniques on my clients, especially because I've been doing this for so long. So I kind of know what works for me and what will stay for me and what may not work for other people. So that powder that you guys just saw is my Black Opal 600 medium color. You guys know I used to always use 700 deep, but this one is 600 medium, and it has been getting the job done. Yeah, in terms of my all over face powder, again from Fontana Pharmacy, Black Opal from Fontana Pharmacy, the LA Girl from Fontana Pharmacy, and my LA Colors I Love Makeup palette is from Fontana. And guys, just so you know, I don't know if I've done a review on this palette, but just a quick review. I don't want to make an entire video dedicated to this because I think I did, but this palette, do not sleep. Bobo, these colors are amazing for a smoky. I'm talking daytime, nighttime, club, whatever, honey. Like, it is gorgeous, and it works on, well, I used it on 3 dark ladies. I think Ashura is a little bit lighter, or me and Ashura is the same color. No, Ashura is lighter than I am. Then I'm medium and I used it on Letitia. And Letitia's eye look came out so beautiful because Letitia is darker than we are. But because of how I manipulated the colors, let me tell you, it just worked out amazingly well. This brush is my MAC 217 brush. If you love makeup, if you are a professional makeup artist, you need a MAC 217 brush in your life. I know I did not create this brush. None of that foolishness. But I'm just saying, I just have to tell you where the deals are, where they are. And this MAC 217 brush is life. You need several in your kit. It is so, because it's goat hair, it is so soft. It blends effortlessly. It's just it's like a puff of oh my god, it's like a puff of smoke, honey. Like this brush right here, this brush, it doesn't leave no streaky lines. It's gorgeous. I love it. And I have this thing that whenever I put on my primer, even though I'm not wearing one in this video, I always rub my primer, my face primer, my Becca eye primer over top of my lids, because I realize that I do have oily lids. So some eyeshadows crease on me during the day. That I don't edit it yet, but there's a video coming up where I did it's like some serial, like some graphic highlights, where I used to think it's the BH palette again. Yes, I used the BH palette again, the BH Caliber palette again, and I used that, and I used my my highlight palette. You guys can see my highlight duo that I got from Fantana as well, and it creased on me like crazy. It works well for whenever I want to highlight like my cheekbones and stuff. It works, it's sexy for that. But to go on the lids, it's a no-no, because it really made my eye look what you call it, it creased it. So but what I did during the day is I kept on rubbing my finger over top of it, and it just smoothed it out, like the crease never happened. But I would recommend it for like an eye primer or an eye base of sorts. So I'm just going in with different brushes. This brush is a Motifs brush, and I'm just going with different brushes, just trying to blend them together so you can't see where one color ends, where one color starts, so that it, excuse me, so that it doesn't look choppy. So I'm going in, manipulating the colors as I would want to, blending out here, taking off, putting back on. And I know it seems like a lot of work, and this is the very reason why I decided to have this play in real time and just kind of, you know, fillers, talk about fillers, just talk to you guys as you guys are just watching this. This is what I do. I go back and forth with brushes, with products on them, with products not on them. The brush I used before, the Motifs one, had no products on it at all. This MAC 217 is the only one that I own. I think I have one more in my kit. And this, oh no, I don't. No, I took the one out of my kit. I only have my pumice brushes in my kit. And the other 217, I think I had given it away. Right. So I'm going in now with my Inglot gel liner, and I'm just going to line my eyes. So I'm going to be lining my waterline. I did a review on this, and people still kept on asking me if it can go on the waterline. Yes, the Inglot gel liner can go on the waterline. I put this on my waterline as well as my lash line. Again, it's at Fantana Pharmacy. Y'all know Fantana is now carrying Inglot. Whoa, shout out to my Fantana squad. And again, I don't have to place in real time. No, you know guys, you know how to apply a liner. Yes, and it dries matte. So when you're applying your eyeliner or any liner whatsoever, look up or stay in one position and allow it to dry. Don't like blink and scrunch your eyes or whatever. Just allow it to dry so that you don't have any creases or any smudges during the day. So on my lips, I'm wearing Ooh La La, and this is an LA Girl Matte Lippy again by Fantana Pharmacy. The lashes I'm wearing are my, and look, it has that gloss at the bottom of it. See that? So that's what the lipsticks come. They come with the matte lipstick, and then they have the gloss on the bottom of it. So the lashes I'm wearing are my Fashionista lashes from my line, Pour Me by Lyric. They are completely sold out. Well, no, they're not sell out, but you know, they never did sell. So I'm going to just put them as sold out. So I've been wearing them. But I really want to get back into the lash game come 2018. I foresee big things with my company. The color I'm using is LA Girl Chestnut. Listen, you guys are absolutely bonkers if you have not picked up an LA Girl lip pencil. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Gone to bed. It them bad, them cheap, but them really nice. I do notice that if you've had them over time, they do tend to get a little bit hard, so be careful with that. So if you have them in a kit for a while, it's going to get hard and it's going to tug on the lips as you're applying it. And if you have on a gloss like myself, it won't tug, it just won't apply. The color won't be as saturated. So keep that in mind. But like for a medium term, not really long term or short term, but medium term use, absolutely phenomenal. So this is my I think it's called a highlight palette. It's called Luminous, I believe, and it's from LA Colors, again from Fantana Pharmacy. We're on a day, and this is gonna be my glove for today. Guys, do not clock my wig, all right? I understand to the part one fix, but why not fear judge Mr. Ash? Why? Okay, so I am actually done. I'm finished. I'm just going to apply my Inglot 04 highlight. It's the rose gold highlight. Is it the 04? I hope to God it's the 04, but it's the rose gold highlight. This is the entire look. Nice, sultry, sexy, beautiful, and drugstore. Huge thank you to Fantana Pharmacy. It is all good inside. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. We're coming to a close. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and hit that notification bell, boo. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Mwah. Bye guys.
You know how I do it, I ain't playing with you, I've been grinding. Anybody trying to sleep on me, better do something with your eyelids.